All right, guys, what's going on? What's going on? So, this is my first impression right here of my my Bill Ramsey tune, BLR Tuning. All right, my first impression. About to go on my first ride right now. Let's see what we got. I gotta put a helmet on. That's what I gotta do. Alright guys, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one. Hustle. Alright guys, what's going on? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. It's another great day in the 413. So what's going on, guys? So what I got here is my 2019 Can Am Ryker Rally, you know what I'm saying? The fastest Ryker in the 413, you know what I'm saying? And now I've been the fastest. And now I got that Bill Ramsey Jr. tuning here. Oh my goodness, this is actually my first like real ride. I'm riding to work, you know what I'm saying? So it's not a ride, but it's my first ride that's not like down the street. My first ride with my helmet on, with my Bill Ramsey tune, my BLR tune, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what this thing do. I'm gonna let you know right off the jump. I noticed that in the normal mode, I noticed the punches already. It's like, oh shit, neck breaking, you know what I'm saying? Because he turned up the power there, you know what I'm saying? And then, oh, do it in sport, and oh my goodness, I'm loving it so far. I'm loving it. So Fred, my baby Fred right here, we changed his name. To Freddy. And he's a motherfucking monster now. He's always been a monster, I'm not gonna lie. definitely a difference when you're at these higher speeds. When you were at higher speeds like 70, 60, and you would gun it, it'd take you a minute to get up to speed. You know what I'm saying? It get like a little ball, like kind of like a turbo lag or something like that. But now, so right now, so when I compare it to, what I'm gonna compare it to is it's like having a supercharger and a turbo. You know what I'm saying? A turbo, you got a little bit of lag, so you would hit the gas and it would build up its speed. You know what I'm saying? Now it's just like a supercharger. It's just instant. You hit that gas and it's there, yo. Definitely a difference. Keep the truth, I was at the lower speeds and I put it in sports mode and I did a couple burnouts and I'm like, yo, this feels the same. But trust me, there's a difference. There's definitely a big difference. So much power, yo. It's ridiculous, yo. So much power, yo. I didn't even know this bike had that much power, yo. It's ridiculous, yo. It's so much power. I don't understand it. It's ridiculous, yo. Where did it all come from? It's like all that's there all the time, yo.